Alam nyo, alarming ito, no? Madaming mga younger adults ang nagkakaroon ng cancer or colon cancer. At according sa NCI, National Cancer Institute, number one cause of death ay colon cancer from the age 20 years old to 49 years old. So, pabata ng pabata ang mga namamatay sa colon cancer. So, ito, kilala nyo ba siya sa Dawson's Creek? Namatay siya, I think, Wednesday, kahapon. Namatay siya dahil sa colon cancer. He was only 48
Ano ba
years
yung
old. Apat na common symptoms ng may colon cancer. And make sure, this is for your information lang ha, and make sure you mention it to your medical doctor or your gastroenterologist kung meron kayo nitong mga simptomas na ito. So number one, yung sudden change or bowel habits. Nagkaroon kayo ng diarrhea, sudden onset of diarrhea or constipation. That's number one. Number two, pencil-like yung stool nyo, yung dumi nyo, manipis siya. So hindi siya yung normal na size, yung pencil, manipis lang siya na stool. So it could be a tumor developing, so hindi siya buo na lumalabas. Number three, incomplete emptying. Yung pakiramdam nyo meron pang dumi sa loob. So it mimics constipation. Number four, kung meron kayong blood sa stool nyo, bright red or dark stool. At associated din siya ng persistent abdominal pain. So lalo na sa one area. Alright, so kung meron kayong isa sa mga symptoms ito, make sure you mention this to your primary care doctor or your medical doctor. And this is for informational purpose only. Alright?